how to fix on-screen keyboard problem. So if you want to fix on-screen keyboard problem, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your settings. On your settings you need to go with your search, and on your search you need to search for on-screen keyboard. Once you find your on-screen keyboard, you need to tap on that setting, and here as you can see that I have my on-screen keyboard. So you can go and turn it on if you want to use your on-screen keyboard, or if you don't want to use it, then you can disable all of the settings. So if you want to enable, you just need to simply go and enable it. After enabling, you can go back and just scroll down, go with your apps section. Under apps, go with manage apps, and here you need to search for Gboard. After searching, just tap on Gboard application, go with clear data, which is on the bottom right, and then tap on clear cache and OK. And now you need to restart your device and your problem will be fixed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.